To use TurboTax from Costco. Start by purchasing the TurboTax software from a Costco warehouse or their official website. Once you have the software, create a TurboTax account if you do not already have one, or log into your existing account. Next, select the correct TurboTax product for your tax situation, such as TurboTax Deluxe or Premier, depending on your investment and rental income. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the software on your computer. After installing the software, launch TurboTax and begin the tax preparation process by answering a series of questions about your income, deductions, and credits. The software will guide you through the process, asking for information such as your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other relevant tax documents. As you complete each section, TurboTax will automatically calculate your tax liability and identify any potential deductions and credits you may be eligible for. You can also use the software to import your W-2 and 1099 forms from your employer or financial institution, making the process even easier. Once you have completed all the necessary sections, review your tax return for accuracy and completeness. TurboTax will also review your return for any errors or discrepancies. If you need help at any point during the process, you can access TurboTax support resources, including online chat, phone support, and video tutorials. After reviewing your return, you can electronically file your taxes with the IRS and your state tax authority. TurboTax will guide you through the e-filing process, which typically takes only a few minutes to complete. You will receive confirmation from the IRS and your state tax authority once your return has been accepted. Using TurboTax from Costco can help simplify the tax preparation process and ensure you receive the maximum refund you are eligible for. By following these steps and taking advantage of the software's features and support resources, you can confidently prepare and file your taxes with ease.